Thank you for this opportunity. This achievement belongs to our outstanding Kyrgyz team. I would like to mention specifically Ajibek, Murat, Alexander, and Gulbara. We are deeply thankful to the Abdussalam International Center for Theoretical Physics team based in Italy, Trieste, specifically Ermanno Pietro Simoglia, Marco Zinara, Marco Rainone and Ritis for their technical expertise and guidance and constant support in navigating frontier technologies. And our profound appreciation goes to our essential partners in Kyrgyzstan who made the deployment possible. It is the Ministry of Emergency of the Kyrgyz Republic, as well as the Administration of Biosphere Zones Sarıçelik and Karatal-Japarık, and scientific institutions like Central Asian Institute for Applied Geosciences and Institute for Water Problems and Hydrology. And we are very thankful to the Internet Society Foundation for supporting our initiative. The winning of the Mountain Future Award in the category of innovation means a lot to us. It validates that our work, research work addressing the critical monitoring gap, in fact, actually in the region of the third pole and pound third pole, only 10% of weather stations operate above 2,000 meters elevation. Yet these high altitude areas contain the glaciers and permafrost most vulnerable to climate change. We are demonstrating that affordable low-cost frontier weather sensors that are 10 to 100-fold cheaper than existing solutions, along with the technologies like LoRaWAN, Wifi HaLow and EdgeAI, can scale monitoring at the extreme altitudes where data is critically needed. In fact, there's a lack of data in the monitoring in the permafrost zone. And using this opportunity, lastly, I would like to call on nations to embrace climate-related weather data from ground weather sensors as the digital public good, being available for everyone for free to build resilient, sustainable mountain communities. Thank you.
Thank you, Aziz. And finally, the adaptation category.